I'm your host Jeremy. This is Lingo Yes. In this lesson, we're going to learn how to say, for example, in Chinese. You know, I've been teaching you guys Chinese for a long time. I always say, for example. But how to say for example in Chinese? Now, in this lesson, I'm going to teach you 3 different ways to say for example in Chinese. The first example we translate for example directly into Chinese, that is 举个例子,举个例子. 举个 is like gave you. 例子 example. So basically it is give you an example. Give you an example. The second expression is very short. 例如,例如,例如. 例 is from 例子 example. 如 is like, somehow like. So 例如. The third expression is 比如,比如 is close to 例如. So 例如,比如 they're interchangeable. Let me give you some examples. 举个例子,举个例子,比如,例如。中国有很多好吃的食物,比如北京烤鸭。中国有很多好吃的食物,比如北京烤鸭。There are a lot of delicious cuisine in China. For example, Peking duck. 网上有很多学习中文的平台,例如 Lingo Yes. 网上有很多学习中文的平台,例如 Lingo Yes. There are a lot of Chinese learning platform. For example, Lingo Yes. Yeah, that is us. So next time, you can try to say 举个例子,比如,例如 instead of using for example or e.g. If you like our program, please Google Lingo Yes and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and I will see you in the next episode. Bye bye.